Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add a language on Duolingo. So let's get started. At first, open Duolingo. To add a language, hit the plug icon at the top and select Course. Once you select Course, this is where you will choose any of the language. Click here and select the language you want to learn. Now select your level of learning. After that, it will add as a new language and you can start learning. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.